Are you ready for some August sneak peeks? I'm Ember and I'm here to spoil some August Glam Bag and Boxycharm products, and they are super juicy, so let's get into it. Let's go ahead and jump into the August Glam Bag spoilers first. Starting off strong, we have the e.l.f. Cosmetics Glow Reviver Lip Oil. Lip oils are so in right now, and I love this one because it has an oversized plush lip applicator. Like, look at this. And I love that the formula is non-sticky but yet so glossy. Next we have the blush drop. Got them in Sunset Kiss. These are awesome because you can put it on your lips, eyes, cheeks, wherever, and it won't disrupt your makeup underneath. It has a hydrating formula with a silky smooth texture. Then we have the Ciate Brazilian Glow Bronzing Powder. These come in 3 shades and they're formulated with an ultra fine pigment, so it looks super natural and almost like a second skin. Then we have the SL Miss Glam eyeshadow brush. This is just too cute. It has little rhinestones on the end, and who doesn't need a good eyeshadow brush? This is adorable. Then we have the EVO Beauty Pink Perspective Depuff Hydrogel Eye Therapy. These instantly depuff and refresh your tired under eyes. Next up, we have the August Boxycharm spoilers. These are going to be your full-size products. Starting off with the iconic London Treat Yourself eyeshadow palette. These shades are insane. I love that we have our metallics and glitters, and we also have our matte shades. Honestly, everything you could need. Oh my god, that is stunning. Then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Everybody knows this is the best. The fine tipped brow pencil gives you the look of natural hair with detail and precision. It's perfect. Next, we have a classic everybody knows. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is amazing. It has an hourglass shaped brush and it gives you so much volume and length to your lashes. Next, we have the Keys Soul Care Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream. This visibly improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and this works best for normal to dry skin types. Next, we have the Il Makiage Mineral Base Highlighter. There's 4 different shades available of these in Boxycharm. They're really perfect for highlighting, accentuating, and giving you a streak-free finish. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below which product you're most excited about. And remember to subscribe to stay in the know for all things IPSY. Bye-bye.